Look at that thing. Oh, it's the top to it, Stephen. You know how you pick a tomato?
That minced onion's crawling up the
No, the fuck it ain't. Get out of here before I smack you with this damn.
That minced onion's crawling up the side.
No, it ain't. Show the camera. Show 'em. Show me a minced onion crawling.
Y'all want to see a minced onion crawling up the side?
Damn minced onion. Nothing. You are weird. Get out of here.
It's moving.
Conspiracy. Yeah, because it's cooking, you weirdo. Get out
I'm
of
just
here.
playing.
I can't stand him.
I'm pretty minced right now myself.
Give me my freaking pen.
Pretty minced. Pretty minced right now, I'd have to say. That's my new saying. They can get minced.
Ow, shit. Excuse my language. So there's like 10 people, not 20 people in here. Nobody's saying nothing except for my bestie. So what the freak, besties?
What's up, besties?
I like how they're always like, move away from her. And then like, hi, bestie. That's what it is. Steph said everybody hates me when you do that.
Stranger danger.
Well, I didn't know. I thought it was the other way around. Don't worry, they're gonna be in my basement. I forgot you said something. That's funny. Good.
Sop it up, it's gonna be good.
So I got my corn, I got my tomatoes.
Tomato?
But I guess I just sniffed that.
Smell like a bridge hair?
Because
Look, you said, no, submit it.
that's it. Because I thought I just dropped some seasoning or something in there. Some onion powder. I was like, oh crap. I sniffed it to see if I could smell it for some reason.
It smelled minced.
I don't like that pan. Hot. Cooks fast. Hot.
Hot scraper. Excuse me as I mince.
I'm mincing my garlic.
I'm mincing.
I'm mincing my garlic. Whoa!
I'm mincing my onion. My onion's so minced right now. Ow. Ow.
Everybody missed that.
Am I supposed to use your teeth?
Why would you say something like that? I cannot say it. Only you can see what he's doing on the board. His onion is minced as fuck.
You should have just seen that dance.
I was doing what you were doing.
Yeah, the minced onion. That's the name of